The Pacific Ocean covers approximately 165 million square kilometers. All the land on Earth combined covers about 149 million square kilometers. This means the Pacific Ocean alone is larger than every continent and landmass on the planet put together. The Pacific is so large that you could fit every continent inside it with room to spare. It is also the deepest ocean, containing the Mariana Trench, which at nearly 11 kilometers deep is far taller than Mount Everest. We understand more about the surface of Mars than we do about the bottom of the Pacific Ocean.